you are comfortable with this, I will just use this one like this. Can you extend all the way? And then go. You can use all the fingers, whichever finger you want to do it. But typically that's all you have to do. Sorry. Your MP, your PIP, your DIP, your thumb, MP, and IP. All right. So all the fingers the same way. All the fingers the same way. And as far as your thumb is concerned, this is. Sorry. So this is your palmar abduction. Palmar abduction. Your radial abduction. So if I'm doing radial abduction, so I'm keeping it in reference. Typically, please, I'm just doing and showing you guys, use a table, okay? In reference to middle finger, okay, and sorry, this finger. It's a little bit harder. So that is why they are using it like this. And then you can ask the patient to move the thumb out. Even though if you look at it, it's very hard to put it on the thumb, but it's very close. Now if you keep it like this, and then ask the patient to move the thumb, you go like that. Does it make sense? It's pretty easy. Okay? So it's even though it's the thumb, you're using the index finger as a reference point. So you're going to be doing like this. Okay? So that is our radial abduction. Palmar abduction, same way. Okay? You can use this way too, but make sure when you're measuring it, you're coming this way. So if I'm coming like this, and I want you to come like that, if I go like this, I can use this, but my measurement is going to be from here. So that is why some students don't like it. They will use it like this. But for this one, I recommend that you do like this. Okay, your thumb, and I would you put your hand like that. Can you put your hand like that? Okay, so I would keep it in line like that. Okay, and then go. Go with your hand, reference to your hand, and measure it. I don't know, 60, 65, whatever it is.
That's in line with your radius.
Pardon me?
You're in line with your radius.
Yeah, and you're in line with your index finger, like this. Okay, and your thumb is parallel. Okay, the thumb is parallel. Yes, you can put it on the thumb. The problem being that you don't have a reference point here, so that's why we keep our index finger as a reference, and then if you keep it the side, you just go the same way. Just go the same way, whatever you could do, right? So there was another one where they used the reference point like this and like that. That is okay too. Okay, you guys probably have to kind of see. So you can use either this way or this way. Okay? What else? Am I missing a lot? Palmar, radial. Yeah. Can you do opposition? See, opposition, if she has any limitation, can you do like this? And then you measure it by, 1 centimeter, whatever. 1 centimeter. Hyperextension, okay. MP, can you do? Yeah. Hyperextension, see, this is what you measure, hyperextension. So typically, what do they use? Yeah, hyperextension, it's easier to use this one. Put it at the side, and use the hyperextension of the MP. Okay?
From the first finger?
Yeah, right here. Okay, so you have to separate. So you have to come to normal, and then go up, go like that, and measure it. Okay, so it's harder to do with the this one, harder to do with this, so we can use this. Yeah. Either way, if you're comfortable, you know, cutting your little goniometer and keep it small like that, you know, you can use this one for almost everything. What else we have? Did I miss? Did I miss adduction?
Yeah, it says.
Oh yeah, abduction, adduction. Thanks. So okay, abduction, adduction. See, like this, in reference to each your finger. Okay, so you go like that and go. Okay, each finger. So if I'm using the index finger, in reference to the index finger, and can you come outside? Yeah, just go like that.
And you would do that for each finger?
Each finger in reference to the metacarpal. Reference to the metacarpal. I know the metacarpals are somewhat twisted, you know, so you do. If you keep your hand like this, sorry, did I cut your hand?
No.
Okay, if your hand like this, okay, you go like that, go. And it's not a big deal which side you put this one here, as long as you measure it, you should be good, right? So each finger like that, you put it here and come out like that. Sorry. What we would do, we would typically may not ask you, like you said, not all the fingers we do. So I'll ask you the index finger, like that. Okay? PIP, DIP, we did that. PIP, DIP. That's the last page. Okay.
Dr. Paul, did you do adduction? I'm sorry, I missed that. I know you did abduction, but did you do adduction?
We don't do it. We won't do for the range of motion. We don't do it.
Okay, it's on our,
Manual muscle testing we do.
no, it's on our range of motion.
Is it there? Where is it?